V. Prakash Rao, an influential and successful personality. Introduction. Veera Malla Prakash Rao, known as Telangana Prakash, is a lawyer, writer, and the co-founder of Telangana Rashtra Samiti, a regional party in India. He worked as a general secretary and spokesperson for the TRS party. He worked as a general secretary and spokesperson for the TRS party. He is a policy advisor to the Chief Minister of Telangana and the chairman of Telangana Water Resources Development Corporation TWRDC. Prakash played an active role in channelizing the Telangana statehood agitation since the formation of TRS party. He is considered an expert on the irrigation sector and policy making. Early life. Prakash's full name is Veera Malla Prakash Rao. He was born in Palampat of Mulugu, Warangal. His father's name is Raja Narsingha Rao and his mother's name is Kaushalya. The Nizam government appointed his father as Asildar Mali Patel. His grandfather and great-grandfather served as Mali Patel of Palampat village. Education. He completed primary, upper primary and secondary education in Palampat, Nalaganta, Hanamkonda and Mulugu government schools. Later, he joined the AVV Junior College for Intermediate and CKM College for Graduation BSc. Both are aided colleges found by late Chanda Kantayya in Warangal. Prakash qualified his MA in Philosophy at the Osmania University, Hyderabad in 1981 and Law at the Kakatiya University, Warangal. Movements. Prakash participated in the Telangana separate state movement from 1969 to 1970. He has shown interest on radical students and revolutionary movements in post-emergency period. He met Comrade Kondapalli Sitaramaiah, K.G. Satyamurthy, founders of People's War in 1977, 1978 and argued on their tactics, strategies and path of revolution to liberate India. Prakash strongly criticized the annihilation line. Later, Prakash joined the Democratic Student Movement as the Secretary of Democratic Students Organization, which was started by Tari Mela Nagi Reddy and Devulapalli Venkateshwara Rao. In January 1981, Prakash moved to Warangal on the instructions to build peasants' movement in this district. He mobilized poor and middle class farmers and agricultural labor in Malkapur area of Station Ghanpur Assembly constituency on their challenges and fought against the government. He built student movements in and around Warangal district. D.V. Rao asked him to come back to Hyderabad and gave him new responsibility editing the Vadi Sela, Telugu Literary and Cultural Monthly magazine. He also transcribed his experiences of Telangana peasants' armed struggle 1944-51. Prakash spent almost a year and above on these two assignments. First part of the book was edited by D.V. himself and published, but second part 1948-51 is yet to come. After the demise of D.V. Rao in July 1984, Prakash quit the party and enrolled as an advocate and started practicing at Hyderabad. In 1987, he moved to Mulugu Court. Prakash received a good reputation as a lawyer in 5 to 6 months and focused on adult education in rural areas, including few tribal villages. After court hours, he found time to visit villages up to 10 p.m. He got partial financial assistance from Government of India to run night schools for adult illiterate people. In combined AP state, most of the judges and magistrates are recruited from the Andhra region. Prakash warned a corrupted magistrate and tried to correct him. He practiced as an advocate from 1986 to 1996. Thereafter, he met Professor Jay Shankar, a former VC of Kakatiya University, to take active part in Telangana separate state movement. Career. Veera Malla Prakash started his career as an advocate in High Court of Andhra Pradesh. He is the co-founder of Telangana Rashtra Samiti. He was appointed as the chairman of Telangana Water Resources Development in March 2017. Prakash wrote a book named History of Telangana Movements. The book contains the history of 150 years of Telangana state. The Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, quoted the book as the only acclaimed and standard reference book useful for all competitive exams. Thank you.